Alright guys, um, let's tint these bitches.
I'm in everyone's blind spot.
Yo, so, as you guys know, the Walmart tint didn't work. Screw this shit. Just in case you wanna know how it looks like. This nigga right here. Unless it's something really flat you gotta do. Don't buy it. If it's window screens or something, as in the side windows, the door windows, yeah, this will probably work, but it doesn't work on anything curved because it's when you heat it up, it just doesn't work. So our alternative is spray tint. I'm sure you guys seen many spray painting videos. It's like any other. Just know that when we actually put this on, the darker you want it, more thick coats you have to put on. What I'm gonna do is put nice even coats until I'm satisfied with the the darkness, and then I'll enamel coat it and install these bitches. So yeah, instead of tints, we're gonna just do this, which is a little more permanent, but a little more easier to do, I think. Alright, so let's get to it.
Jealous? Yes. You smell jealous.
Smells. Oh, by the way, you guys want to clean the surface before you start this? I already cleaned up with tough stuff, so peace. There goes Nada. Huh?
Say you mad lazy. Why don't you spread out this one so I can focus for
Fight me. Whoa, yeah.
So that way if it dries up, you see how light it does.
Stop. Damn, boy! I didn't do this before.
I want to try to take.
Bro, never again. Look how amazing those look, man. Alright.
Everybody around me tell me about
So I waited 15 minutes between coats. I'm gonna put the second coat on now. Was it 15 seconds? Me. Was it 15 seconds or 15 minutes? It's 15 minutes. Oh my man, we're retarded now. Clear coated. This is gonna be the final coat. I don't know how much I'll go on this, but I want to go a little more than just one coat. Yeah. candy like. Oh, look who we got here. Say hello, man. Say hello. There's 4 of them. We gotta feed these niggas. Hey, wrecked him.
She's mad.
Yeah, she was mad. So what happened was I told Ryan to hold on me. So one of them got food, the rest of them didn't.
You ate already, but
No, she doesn't want to guess. Hurry up, boy! Yo, they be boofing. That's the finish. It's not that dark. You could see the inside fairly well, but it gives you that nice Hawkeye look. Very dark, sadistic look. Oh yeah. Next one. So yeah, this is 2 clear coats, 2 coats of clear coat, and 2 coats of the tint.
clear. Okay.
So first on get your taillights obviously out. Don't spray. I don't like spraying it onto the car. As you can see, the finish you get edge to edge. Oh no, focus. Okay, yeah, edge to edge and whatever. Clean it up. I didn't sand it for prep or anything, but yeah, I make sure I clean the surface. Had a bit of chips on it because of, you know, rock chips. But clean the surface up. Lay layers of the tint and just look at the darkness you want. Stop there. Make sure the layers are even. 15 minutes between coats, and then you just whip the clear coat over it. Everything is individual. It's pretty much self-explanatory. And then let it dry. Install that shit and enjoy. Peace. Please like, share, subscribe. Subscribe to me. Subscribe to Ryan Evo X. His YouTube channel. They got some good shit on it, like real good shit. A lot of mechanic stuff. Same. So please, thank you guys so much for the support. Thank you for coming to this video. Thank you for coming to my channel. Project Donner, Reckless Culture. We out!